Hey guys, many of you requested me to upload a video on setup of order flow trading strategy chart. So in this video, I'm going to explain the method for basic setup of order flow, or you can say the footprint chart. So you have to watch the video carefully so that you can set up the chart same like this one, or you can say the same that I use for scalping. There are many software available in the market which provide the order flow tool, and my favorite is the Sierra chart. So this is the Sierra chart, but the setting on Sierra chart is like, it is not easy because not everyone can do the same setting like I have done on my Sierra. I will upload another video on Sierra, but for the beginner I will suggest you another software, and I will drop the link of that software in the description. So you just have to download that software, and you just have to uh, go for the trial of that software. They provide the software trial for 1 month, and the name of that software is Quant Tower. So this is the interface of the Quant Tower software. So after activation of your trial, you just have to log in. You have to log in from this window. So when you click on this window, you will get you have to make sure that your connection should be connected with the data feed. So as you can see, I'm currently connected with the data feed, and this is you can say connected to the data feed. So this is the normal candlestick chart, and this is the interface of this software. So as you can see, I already selected the gold symbol. You can select it from this menu. From here you can select symbol as per your requirement, and you can choose your time frame from here. So for scalping, always try to check or always try to trade on smaller time frame with the order flow, because in scalping the market participants order, or you can say place their orders very aggressively on the market condition. So try to trade on the smaller time frame like 1 minute, 2 minute, or whatever time frame that suits you. So I'm going to choose, like, let's go with the 2 minutes. So this is the 2 minute chart, candlestick chart. Now let me show you how you can set the footprint chart on this software. As you can see, we have this icon over here. You have to enable this. Like for me, this is already enabled, this one over here. Let me mark it for you. This one, this should be on, and when this icon is on, you just have to look for this cluster, this one right here in the lower left corner, and you just have to click on that. Now this is the very basic settings that you need to get the footprint chart. When you click on this, simply like this, now you have to enable this over here. When you enable this, it will take some time to load depending on your internet connection and depending on the data that you are going to draw from this period or this chart. Like I'm withdrawing, or you can say I'm pulling the data for 3 days. That totally depend on you. So when you click on enable, and when you zoom in like this, let me show you, and now you can clearly see that the data of orders of buy sell appearing in this candlestick chart. So now how to set the imbalance? Like you can see over this place we have 0 1 7 7, but 7 is green. Why? Because I already set the imbalance. Like from if you watch my all video in the playlist from the order flow trading strategy, you already knows that this is the imbalance. These are the seller, they placed 0 order, and against them diagonally we have 7 buy order. Now how you can highlight that? Now in the cluster you just have to click again, and you have to click on the settings, and in the settings you have to, like, this is the imbalance ratio over here, this one. You just have to change this imbalance ratio. So for me, I have set it to 4, or you can say 400%. So whenever the number of buy sell order increased from the buy or sell, they highlight that particular number. So this is the basic settings. So you can choose as per your requirement. So I have set it to 400. You can choose. They have option of 6 or 9%. So that totally depend on you how much you are going to choose for the imbalance. So as you can see, this is a good software and you can use it for footprint, and it works very well. So I already uploaded some videos, some basic stuff, and in future I will upload more videos so that you will get a better clarity on footprint chart or the order flow chart. So you can use these settings and this software, and if you have any question regarding the setup of this chart, you just have to message me on Telegram. I will try to resolve your query. So thank you.